Good morning, Wright Elementary. I'm Tatiana.
And I'm Tele.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the 30 seconds of silence.
Good day, explorers! Broadcast Cal here with the Pledge of Allegiance. Everyone stand up and say it with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job, everyone! Now get out there and explore, discover, and create. Broadcast Cal, out!
Howdy, Wranglers. It is a wacky Wednesday. Today, pre-K, kinder, and 4th grade have vision of hearing screens. Listen to the screeners and do your best. Here's the joke of the day. What goes white, black, white, black, white? What goes white, black, white, black? Check the description for the answer.
Thanks for watching. I'm Tele.
And I'm Tati. And remember, make it a great day, because the choice is yours.